Hi, I'm Nicole Belanda. I'm the Customer Advocacy Program Manager at Rockwell Automation, and we're here to talk about results achieved. I'm joined by Syed from Kice Industries to talk about some great results that they've achieved. Hello, tell us a little bit about what Kice does.
We do system deployment and a lot of Rockwell deployment. If you had food this morning, if you had a breakfast, it probably ran through our product. We are predominantly in the food industry. Anytime grain product that moves from point A to point B, you probably have Kice product there.
So let's talk about a specific project that you've recently been working on, a very big project with a Greenfield gluten facility, right?
Yes, it was a customer Amber Wave. It's a pretty large system, around 650 motors, 200 variable frequency drive, thousands of IO points, pretty large deployment. What we have is an ethanol plant. So we are producing, we have 2.75 million pound of flour a day. It goes to what we call extraction facility to separate gluten and send the starch to the ethanol plant. Uptime was critical for us. Customer has told us that uptime is extremely important and the delivery on time was very critical. So based on that, we partnered with Rockwell Automation and we deployed their solution, the control logics, the PRP, the rep ring, to make sure that we have a very resilient and very robust system installed and deployed over there. We also used their View SE technology, and we did basically a paradigm shift in HMI. We took their View SE, your View SE, and we created an HMI, which is basically a hub of all the information that a plant operator will need for that facility. We call that deployment Smart HMI. It is built around View SC. So if you need electrical drawings, you need a data sheet on a sensor, everything is embedded within it.
I understand there was some simulation involved in this project.
So a project this size, with this complexity, it was imperative that we simulate, we make an environment, a simulation environment, exactly the way what we will deploy. So 6 months prior to startup, we had our customer involved. They looked at our first setup of our HMI screen, the setup, look and feel, and how they will use it. So they have seen the entire user interface before we started the system up. And then we did 3 or 4 simulation so they can see how the system is running, cause and effect, the startup sequence, shutdown sequence. So we had a buy from customer from the beginning of the project till the end. So what Rockwell has done, they have assigned a project manager, because being this size of a project, they wanted to make sure that we get our MCC on time. Also, using this smart MCC technology enable us to start the system up very efficiently. IntelliCenter really provides us critical pieces of information that helps our customer at the end to run a very modern and advanced facility with a lot of data point. So with IntelliCenter, if we can give them those critical pieces of information that increases their production by 0.5% to 1%, I think it's a win-win for both of us.
I'm so happy that we have Kice Industries in our partner network to help execute giant projects like this, and we're glad that you're happy using our hardware to get those projects done.
Absolutely, and we're not done yet. Our next project, only that has around 825 motors.
Only. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm happy we could tell your story.
Absolutely. Thank you.